Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Friends Adda. After a relaxing night at Parvati Cottage in Kasol, we started our day a bit later than planned and left for Jibhi in the afternoon. Since we missed our breakfast, we decided to stop for brunch at ATS Cafe, a stunning riverside cafe and spot we had been waiting and wanting to visit. To get there, we had to cross the Parvati River. Since the old bridge was washed away in the last year floods, we walked about 10 minutes to the new bridge. The river was gushing below, and crossing it was such a thrilling experience. Once we reached the cafe, the view and the atmosphere were just perfect, making the effort to get there even more rewarding. The place did not disappoint. The serene riverside setting, paired with delicious food, made it one of the best cafe experiences on our trip. Whether it was the sound of the river flowing by or the cozy ambience, this cafe truly lived up to its reputation. After brunch, we hit the road for a long 3 hours journey to Jibhi. By evening, we took a break at Jibhi Waterfalls. It was a peaceful, almost magical moment since it was closing time and we had the whole place to ourselves. Then we made our way to our stay, the Misty Wild Homes, which is just 10 minutes from Waterfalls. This mudhouse stay was so well kept and peaceful, the perfect spot for stargazing under the clear skies. The food was great and the vibe was amazing, and our friendly host made us feel right at home. After a cozy dinner, we strolled around the property in the dark, soaking in the tranquility, and ended the night with some well deserved rest. Stay tuned for the next video in this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more travel stories. See you in the next one.